Hello, today we will check this HYCHIKA self-leveling green laser level. This is the magnetic battery cover. Install 2 batteries. Locking compensator and power switch. Tripod thread. And magnetic bracket, which can be easily affixed to most metal surfaces. Tips and solutions. Firstly, the laser is not obvious for outdoor use. The lights are not so obvious. So it is recommended to use it indoors or in a dark environment. Secondly, when pressing the button, there is nothing happens. Open the magnetic battery cover. And check if the batteries are installed in the wrong direction. Pay attention to the installation icon display of the battery base. Now it's okay. Finally, after the laser line is leveling, you must keep still and do not touch or lock the laser line.